Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use circle to search with Google on Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, open the page where you want to use this feature, and then if you have a gesture navigation enabled, you're gonna have to hold down the gesture home bar for a couple of seconds. If you have the 3 buttons navigation, you're gonna have to hold down the home button for a couple of seconds, and after that just draw a circle on your screen around the element that you want to select, and this will enter the Google AI overview and also the matches for your photos for your picture. So basically the similar photos, and that's pretty much how you use this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.